Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into another incredible spice, one that's been gaining a lot of attention for its amazing health benefits. You might know it for its beautiful golden color, especially if you've ever enjoyed a delicious curry. I'm talking about turmeric. Now, turmeric isn't just a spice that makes your food look vibrant and taste wonderful. It's truly a superstar when it comes to your health. And a big part of that is its incredible ability to help reduce inflammation. You see, the magic in turmeric comes from a group of compounds called curcuminoids. And the most important one is curcumin. Think of curcumin as the main active ingredient, the real hero, in this golden spice. So, what exactly is inflammation? Well, imagine your body as a protective fortress. When an intruder like a germ gets in, or if you get a cut, your body sends out its defense team to fix the problem. This natural response is inflammation. It brings extra blood flow and healing cells to the area. This is a good thing in the short term, like when you sprain your ankle and it swells up to protect itself while it heals. However, sometimes this defense team can get a little overzealous, or stay on duty for too long, even when there's no real threat. This is called chronic inflammation, and it's not good. It can silently contribute to all sorts of issues in your body, from everyday aches and stiffness to more serious, long-term health concerns. It's like having your body's alarm system constantly ringing when there's no fire. This is where turmeric, and specifically curcumin, steps in. Curcumin has a fantastic ability to essentially tell that overzealous defense team to calm down. It works by blocking certain molecules in your body that trigger and promote inflammation. So, instead of your body constantly being on high alert, curcumin helps to dial down that unnecessary inflammatory response. It doesn't completely stop your body's natural healing process, but it helps prevent that inflammation from getting out of control and causing damage. Many people find relief from joint stiffness and muscle soreness by incorporating turmeric into their diet. It's like giving your body a natural, gentle way to soothe itself from the inside. You can add it to your cooking, mix it into smoothies, or even enjoy a warm golden milk latte. It's a simple, delicious way to harness the incredible anti-inflammatory power of this amazing golden spice. Give it a try, and see how this ancient remedy can make a difference in how you feel.